Hello and welcome to Spatial Data Hub. In this video, you will learn how to show the distribution and density of your point data set using heat maps. So here on my screen, I have the world cities and population data. You can see it's presented using points. And then on the attributes table, which is docked here on my screen too, you can see the CSV data PO column which shows the population of these cities. So we want to see which countries, which regions have the most population for the biggest cities, right? Here. So there are two ways to do this. You can do this using your layer styling panel here, which you can get by clicking on the layer and selecting layer styling panel or changing it from here. You can also access this panel using by right clicking and going to properties. On properties, it's the symbology and you see a layer styling. Our symbol, rather than single symbol, we change it to heat map. And that's just about it. Changing it to heat map, you select the color ramp of choice. Since we are looking at population densities for cities, let's go with blues. Okay. Let's apply this so that you see how it works. Yeah. So I can make this smaller. And then for weighted points by, this is very important because you can use this value to influence how the heat map shows. So if you're trying to show population data, you can have any other data set, any other column in your data. But here we are interested in population data. So we change it to make the population data influence the weight of points as they are shown on the screen. So when you apply this, you can see there is a shift in the areas where there are heat. Yeah. So that's about it. Then you can also use the radius to change the region of influence of each point, right? So you can increase the region of influence by increasing the radius. Let's just call it 20 and apply. You can see that the region expands. Yeah, so depending on how much you understand your data set and how each point influences the other points around it, then this is applicable. So we'll leave this at 10. You can also change the what's it called? The units for your measurement. When working with larger data sets, if you set it to best, it takes quite some time, but it gives you the best visualization as the name implies. Yeah. So that'll be it for this video. Let me know if this worked out for you. And if you have any questions, do well to reach out to me using the social media links in the channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.